It's finally time again to start the wide body process. It's a little bit of me procrastinating, but it's also not me because I was waiting for wheels. It's been like 5 to 6 months. I was told 2 months. Miscommunication on certain people's, it is what it is. But whatever. I kind of lost the motivation to wide body it, but I have all the parts. I have the holes in my like my quarter panels and things already. That's some bird shit, but whatever. I figured now or never. It's September. This is my birthday month. It would be pretty cool if I could have it done before my birthday. Even though I'm going away for my birthday, I won't have the wheels, so it is what it is. The wheels are in that corner right over there. I don't know how to zoom in. I guess I have to zoom in with my hands or something. I don't know. I forgot. But whatever. The wheels are in that corner. I'm going to take that out later to show you. I did go like a safe spec. I didn't go the recommended spec just in case because I am not on, what is it called, coilovers. So I have like great fitment, don't get me wrong. The hood is a little open, so it doesn't look that great. But I have great rear fitment and everything. So we'll see how that goes. If the fitment isn't, if the springs interfere with the fitment of the coilover, as in it'll be not safe, as in if I bottom out or something and I crack the wide body in the process or something, I will go buy suspension, some coilovers or something. I really don't want to go bags because I like going fast, and bags and fast in my past experience with my Civic, it wasn't the greatest. A lot of people recommend it. A lot of people say it's not that bad. A lot of people say it's comfy. I don't like comfy. I kind of like a rougher ride. But yes, now I have to get all my old parts that's been sitting in the freaking rain and all that for 5 months. And then the issue is why I'm unmotivated with it is I have to rewrap a rear bumper. Oh, I'm getting a tattoo also. I have to rewrap a rear bumper, side skirts, fenders, big ass Supra hood, and a front bumper. And if anyone knows about Supras, like the hood is not the easiest thing in the world to wrap. And it's just like, I can put the kit on. I still have to wrap everything plus the kit. It's just, it is what it is. So I'm like I did the first time, I'm just kind of full send it, and then hopefully I make good progress this week. So far, all I have is took the bumper off. I'm gonna put the old one back, the original one back on, probably peel it. I'm gonna start taking off the side skirts. I don't know what I just kicked. Start taking out the fenders, side skirts. I might keep this side skirt because mine, I kind of messed up during the wide body install. The way I did the holes was kind of stupid, but that's on me. I'm gonna keep that diffuser off this one because it's cleaner than mine. And yeah, I'm gonna just keep going, see how much I can get done today. This is the last part, the back bumper, before I go and get the wide body from storage. Yeah, so I think I decided to keep the side skirts that I was using, and I'm gonna re-drill those holes and probably find a different way to mount it. When I was doing it and I drilled into the side skirts or whatever, the hardware just wasn't staying put. I don't know how to explain it, but it wasn't working out. Even this back bumper, this back one, I have to put it crooked. Oh shit, it's crooked. Like these are flush, but this one is crooked. It's just the angle of how it is with the kit, so I'm gonna try to figure that out too. I'm gonna take the diffuser off, and then put it back on the back bumper, and then take one of my boss's big cars, go to storage, grab the wide body, and then come back, and hopefully I start the wide body also today. So pretty much I'm kind of coming to a stopping point today. It's like I kind of showed you guys this before already, so like it's not really much to see, but the wide body is pretty much mocked back up. That's why I had all the spare parts, because this has no holes in it. All my spare parts, my original parts I should say, have all the holes, so I just had to swap them back over and bolt them back on essentially. And then I'm gonna take it outside, leave it outside till the next time I start working on it. I just have to sand some of the wide body. It's sitting in a moist storage container for a while. It got a little bubbly, so I have to sand that out. And then I'll close the hood so you can see. then about to just test the front wheel and then the back wheel real quick just to see the fitment on it. Like I said, I went safe on the wheels. I do have spacers, just in case, you know, I get the fitment I want, the way I want it. And yeah, that'll be it for today. So V3 of the Supra is coming soon. Sucks that it's freaking September, end of the year. Winter's about to get here, so it's like won't even be getting to showcase it like that, but it is what it is.